Hey guys, it's Kasia here again, and today I'm coming to you with a makeup tutorial that is quite out of my comfort zone. It's this red lip look, and basically for all my life I've been absolutely terrified of wearing a red lipstick. I would wear it maybe once or twice for Halloween, actually. I wore it when I had like a witch costume, so disaster. But not long time ago I was kind of forced by the circumstances to wear a red lipstick, and I decided to do it the right way this time and buy a lipstick that I actually like and that fits me and just try to make it work. And I honestly loved it. It's still not something I would wear every day, but it's something that is really fun and a bit different, and I actually really enjoy wearing it to some party or going out, and I just think it's a nice change from just a really neutral everyday makeup that I wear. And yeah, if you want to find out how I did this makeup, just keep on watching.
So starting off with my clean face, I'll be using the Natural Glow Golden Primer from AA. And now I'll be using my favorite highlighter from Benefit, my WhatsApp stick highlighter, and I'll be putting it on my cheeks and blending it in. And I'm using the same product for blending. It actually at the end has a little spongy, which I think works much better than my actual fingers, because the fingers just take away too much of the product. I'm also putting a bit on my cupid's bone and on my nose and under my eyebrows. And now I'll be using the L'Oreal True Match Minerals, the Skin Improving Foundation. I think it's a really nice product, a bit in between the foundation and the powder. So if you don't really want to use foundation but you want a bit of a coverage, I think it's a really good product. And it also doesn't feel like a foundation at all, so you can really even out the skin tone and still feel like you're not wearing anything at all. And to brighten up my under eye area, I will be using the SEPHORA Beauty Amplifier, a smoothing and brightening powder, and I'm just gonna put it under my eyes, just to take these dark circles a little bit out. And then I'm just going through all my face with a brush. And moving on to the bronzer, I'm using the bronzing powder from Bourjois, their chocolate bronzer, and I'm actually too lazy to use a separate brush, so I'm just taking my own brush and kind of make it a bit of a contouring brush. Anyway, I'm not really doing much of a contouring, I'm just trying to put a little bit of sunshine on my face, nothing too crazy. And moving on to my eyebrows, I'm using the Goof Proof Brow Pencil from Benefit, and I really love it because it makes really tiny strokes, so it looks super natural and gives you just this non-done, really nice eyebrows, so highly recommended. And I'm just brushing them through. And moving on to the blush, I'm using the L'Oreal Le Blush and I'm using it in the shade Sandalwood Pink, which is a bit on the cooler side, and I think it really works in the winter the best because it just gives you this a bit colder, wintry look. And because I want to keep my eyes simple, I'll be using on them the Color Tattoo 24 Hours from Maybelline. It's a cream eyeshadow, and I'm basically using it only to a bit even out my skin tone on my eyes, because when I get really tired I just get to have a bit of a red eyelids, so I think it just really nicely evens it out. And I'm also using the Bourjois eyeshadow. It's in the shade 8, I honestly don't know what's the name, but it's this really pretty champagne color, and I'm just putting it under my eyebrows and a bit in the corners, just to give some of the light to my eyes. And on my upper waterline I'll be using the eyeliner from Rimmel, the Scandaleyes one, but honestly I skipped the clip because it was so creepy that you just don't want to see it, but trust me, it's on my waterline. And now I'm just curling my eyelashes with the crazily old eyelash curler. And now I'm using my new favorite mascara. It's from L'Oreal. It's the Paradise Extatic mascara in black. Alright, so now the grand finale, and I'm using my lip scrub, and always making sure I don't have any crusties left. So the lip pencil I'll be using, it's the Bourjois Le Vrai Contour edition in 07 Cherry Boom Boom, and it's so hard to line your lips on the camera. Like, honestly, because I'm trying to look at the mirror and like failing, but let's try my best. Trust me, it's much easier when you just do it yourself, look in the mirror and not have a camera in front of you. So don't be discouraged with my horrible efforts here. Wow, and how actually creepy is that look? It's like Alice in Wonderland, the mean queen of cards sort of thing. Anyway, moving on to my actual lipstick, it won't be a lipstick, it will be a lip crayon, which I find so much easier to use. I think it's just like filling your lips like a coloring book for kids. And I'm using the SEPHORA Flash Jumbo lip pencil. So before we actually finish, I like to do a little bit of a cleanup. I'm using the same powder as I was using on my face. I'm just using a really small eyeshadow brush, and I'm just dusting it all around to make sure none of the red color is all over my face. And the last step, it's a bit of a highlighter. There's not ever enough of highlighter, so I'm just putting it on my cupid's bone, and basically that's it. So that's my final look. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. So thank you so much for watching, and I guess I'll see you next Sunday. Bye!